Hi students, it's Mr. Stivers. This video tutorial is for 8th grade. 8th grade members who are auditioning for the 2015-2016 Jefferson County Public Schools All-County Band, or for any 7th grader who wants to audition up, or possibly any 6th grader who wants to audition that far up. So if you need a copy of the music and don't have it yourself, if you go to crosbyband.com on the student page at the very bottom here under student docs, you will see 8th grade All-County. And the entire file will pull up. That's 37 pages. That is not, do not print all that off. You don't want to do that, okay? The first 3 pages are intended for me, but if you scroll down, page 4 starts the flute. So you'll notice the name per instrument is on those pages. Now, a reminder, let's review. Auditions are October 22nd, 2015 at Jefferson County Traditional Middle School, where they've been for many years now. Audition time is from 4:30 to 7. In addition to the music below, and you have 2 pieces, you're going to be asked to play by your judge either C, F, B flat, E flat, or A flat. Those scales we do every day in band, so you should be prepared for that, no doubt. And again, 2 pieces. Now, after you performed the first piece that's pertaining to your particular instrument, you will perform the full band etude. This is the one that we are working on in class on a daily basis, so everyone should be successful on this one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write in the counts for that. But before we do that, one last thing I want to remind you of is that this is a change that we're taking place this year. Sight reading will occur after both pieces have been played, and you're going to have 30 seconds, students, to sight read 4 measures of music. So you get 30 seconds to go over some of the strategies we use in class when we're looking at a brand new piece of music, and we do that every day. So again, just remember those methods that we use. So if you want to save it to your desktop, you can just click save and then put it to a location. Make sure you print off only the pages you need. What I've done is go ahead and actually did a screenshot of the alto saxophone part. So after we write in the counts, which I'm going to do with you right now, I'm going to model on the saxophone for you just a little bit of how that goes. Alright, so get a pencil ready, because here we go. We're going to write in counts. Alright, so we're in common time, so similar to 4/4 time. Here we go. 8th notes, you already know, 1 in. Single quarter is 2. That quarter is 3. Leaves us with 2 8th notes for 4 in. Alright, we arrive at a dotted quarter. So already 2 8th notes, we added an 8th note because of that dot. So 1 and 2, leaving us with the single 8th note on and. So 1 and 2 and. Now we're at 3 and 4. As always, students, we put our rest in parentheses. So the 1 goes in parentheses. So we are at 2, 3, 4 and. Alright, if you look back at measure 2, there's that same starting rhythm again with the dotted quarter, single 8, so 1 and 2 and we have 3 and 4 all right there. Line 2, I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. Hopefully that doesn't confuse you, but the dynamic's going to get in the way. Quarter rest on 1, 2 and 3 all right there, but it would be articulated on 2. We're at a quarter on 4, bar 6, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Dotted half note, so 2 already existing, half of 2 is 1. That is 3 beats long, students. Here we are on the last 2 8th notes, that's 4 in. We have an 8th rest on 1, so if you're tapping your toe down, there's 1. On the up is this quarter note, but it gets 2 8th notes worth. Alright, so you have 1 and. Feels a little bit like syncopation, doesn't it? And you got 3 right there. And I'll help you count these in a minute. Right now the goal is just to write these counts in. Here we go. Line 3, 2/16 first would be counted 1 E and, 2 E and, 4 steady 8th notes, 3 and, 4 and. Here we are, bar 10. Same dealio, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and 4. Now, don't be confused. You had 2/16 in those prior 2 measures, but now it's 8th 2/16. So it would be 1 and 2 E and, on 3, so 3 and 4. Here we go to the last line. 1 and 2 E and. This is a relatively new one for us, but it has been in our rhythm studies. So single 16th first, hence why the 2 flags right at the top on 3. So 3 E. The 2 eighth notes are right here. Sorry, 16th notes are in that single eighth note. So 3 E and leaves 3 E 4, right? So 3 E 4. We go to the syncopated measure here, and it's forte dynamic. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, leaving 1, 2 on a retardando, 4, 1. So there's the counts. If you want to pause the screen now to write those in, if I went too fast, you can. And then when you're ready to listen, if you need to pause, you can. This is supposed to be at 96 beats per minute, so what I'm going to do is take that down to 80 for now, just so you can count with me. So you're going to hear the metronome on. Alright, let's count line 1, students. 1, 2, ready, line 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 3. Again. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 3. Line 2, ready, measure 5, rest. 2, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 4 and 3. Now that one's tricky. This time I'm going to count the subdivision underneath on that dotted half so you can really feel that through. Here we go. Measure 5. Ready, go, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. Line 3, starting measure 9. 1, 2, ready, count. 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4, 1 and a 2 E and 3 and 4. So again, I'm starting right here. 1, 2, ready, count with me. 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4, 1 and a 2 E and 3 and 4. Here we go. Last line. Counting, go. 1 and a 2 E and 3 E a 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 4, 1. And the reason I turned the med off is because we have a retardando. Again, counting, ready, last line. 1 and a 2 E and 1 E, ready and go. 1 and a 2 E and 3 E a 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, so that was, again, 80 beats per minute. I'm going to play, and while I play, I want you to count what you just did from the beginning to the end. 1, 2, ready? Okay, now I'm going to take that up to speed, and I want you to count again. And there will be another video later, students, where I'll coach you on musicianship. For right now, it's just rhythm. Here we go. Count. Ready? Alright, and that's the gist of it, students. Make sure you've got your counts in no later than Monday, September 21st. So that gives you, you'll see this video tomorrow, and you'll have till that Monday to have these counts in. I'll be checking.